Hey Hannah, I am so excited for our one-on-one today. This is gonna be great.
Hi, Sean. Yeah, thanks for your time.
No problem. And look, hey, look, you are jumping into this brand new sales manager role. So first of all, congratulations. You're going to do an amazing job. That's where we wanted you in this position. In doing that, I mean, as you're leaving the sales executive position behind, we want to make sure that all the responsibilities are in place the way they need to be. And I kind of have a hunch that as awesome as you are, you have innovated and you've added some new things to your role. I want to make sure we document those so the sales executives and the ones that we backfill to come in your place will they'll be able to have everything they need, and that you will have everything you need for your sales manager position, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Awesome. Yeah, so I was here on your profile, I was checking those out here today. I've already added you to that sales manager group. That's why those responsibilities are showing up there. But we want to make sure everything else that needs to be there is there. So to do that, I'm going to go over here. We're going to use a tool that I just love in Trainual called the Delegation Planner. And I've already been using this a number of times. In fact, you can see when Brittany left for her parental leave, I used it to kind of organize and delegate the responsibilities that someone else needed to do while she's out. So we're going to use the same tool and we're going to create a brand new board here, and we're going to call it Sales Manager Planning. Okay. That's you. It's so exciting. Let's do it.
Yay.
So what we're going to do here is I'm going to pull up the two different groups here, the roles specifically. So I'm going to jump up here into groups, and we're going to pull up the sales manager role. That's you. And we're going to pull up the sales executive role. That's used to be you, and it's Raquel right now. I'm going to go ahead and add the groups. And that way those will be there. And I'm going to add you because we need to find out what you're doing as well. So I'm going to go ahead and add you in there as well.
Okay,
Anna.
perfect.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, sweet. And I'm gonna just kind of reorganize this a little bit to make it a little bit easier to use. And now we can take a look at this together and do some comparisons in terms of your sales manager role that you are moving into. I've already added some responsibilities in there that are generally going to be part of that role. We've got the old role that you're leaving here, the sales executive role, and these are all the responsibilities you have. And then, of course, you're right there, and you can see your current responsibilities. Okay, so let's pop over, and this is the big thing that I'm curious about. Let's look through these responsibilities of the sales executive that you're leaving here. And I'd like you to let me know if there's anything that you do or that you've done in this role that isn't, that isn't documented here as a responsibility for the sales executive. So as we go through that list, is there anything there that, or anything not there that we need to add?
I think the only thing I'm not seeing is, planning and executing our trade shows and events. And I
Oh,
wouldn't say that that's something that all the sales executives do, but it's just something that I've taken on as I've progressed towards my new management role.
yeah, and you've done a great job with that as well. I'm so glad you brought that up. Let's go ahead and document that responsibility here. So I'm going to do plan and facilitate trade shows because that is a huge thing that you've taken on and just kind of innovated. It's awesome. So, how much time does that actually take you? And maybe think about this in terms of quarters. Like, how much time does it take you per quarter to get these planned and facilitated?
Yeah, I would say probably like 10 hours a quarter.
10 hours a quarter? Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Go ahead and switch that to quarters there, just like that. That's perfect. And go ahead and create that. So awesome. I love that. Plan and facilitate trade shows. That's awesome that you have done that. Now, I'm asking this because you mentioned a few moments ago that not everyone on the sales executive team, that primarily this has been you that's been doing this. So going forward into the sales manager position, do you think this is something that you retain as a sales manager? Is this more of a sales manager role, or is this more of like, no, the sales executive team can actually take this on?
Yeah, I would say that that's probably something that should fall under the sales manager role. What do you think?
Yeah, I think I'm on board with that. That way you can plan, continue to plan, organize the way you've been doing it and just magnificently. And then as needed, you can delegate other responsibilities or tasks to the other sales executives. I think that makes a lot of sense. So let's do that. Let's go ahead and move that on over into the sales manager responsibilities. Just going to drag that over just like that. And now that belongs to your role officially. So let's go ahead and pop into there and see if there's anything else that we can add to it. So we've got our commitment in there. I think plan and facilitate trade shows is pretty descriptive, but I guess we could probably add anything else there if you feel like that should be there. But my big question is, as you've been doing this, have you been documenting the processes, how to actually facilitate those trade shows? That's something that's documented in Trainual at this point.
Yeah, yeah. As I'm learning more, and just, doing more and more of these, I have started to document some best practices in there that I found. So there is a subject in our Trainual called planning trade shows and events,
Ooh.
that I've been just kind of adding to over time.
Oh, yeah, there it is right there. That's awesome. Okay, that's cool. I'm gonna go ahead and connect that to this responsibility. That way, easy access for you or anyone else who's looking at this who may want to take a look at that content. So, over here
Okay.
on the right side, you can see these ratings. So, this is an opportunity for us as we continue on in our one-to-ones, as you get into this role to kind of identify, hey, how passionate are you? How skilled do you feel you are in these? We can kind of review those during our one-on-ones as we continue on. Make sure you feel good and comfortable there, and we can always come back to them. Okay?
Okay. Yeah, great.
That feeling good?
Yeah, this feels great.
Okay, awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and save the changes there. And there we go. I think we've at this point thoroughly documented what we need to know for the sales manager in terms of responsibilities. Sales executives in good spot. You're in a good spot right there. How do you feel about making this the truth right here?
Yeah, let's do it. I'm super aligned.
Awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to the account, and that will make it there. It's available for anyone else who needs to go see it, including you. Do you want to know where you can see all this
Oh,
information?
yeah, for sure. That would be really helpful.
Okay, that's cool. That's going to be in your own profile. So I'm going to go ahead and actually go there where we started a few moments ago and pop right over there. I'm going to scroll down and there are your groups and responsibilities. And you'll see plan and facilitate trade shows is right there. So you can always
Oh,
find it right
that's
there.
great. Okay,
Okay.
perfect. Yeah, that'll be really helpful to just be serve as like a reminder for me and everybody else what should be top of mind and all the things that I'm newly in charge of. So I really appreciate you putting the time into this and for all your support as I go into my new role.
You're going to do such a great job. We're really excited. So thanks a lot. We'll continue to review this as we continue to go on and we'll adjust as we need to. We can do that at any point in time. Okay.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Sean. I appreciate you.
You bet, Hannah. Thank you. Take care.
Okay, bye.
Bye.